following is the demonstration about EV search task in Symantec eDiscovery platform. The EV search task feature allows you to search enterprise vault data before collecting it. This allows you to analyze and review enterprise vault data based on searches before you actually go out and collect the data. Before creating a task, we will make sure all the prerequisites for running an EV task are already set up. For that, we will go into all collections. First of all, we will look at source accounts. Make sure there is a source account set up for Enterprise Vault to access Enterprise Vault data. Then we go to sources. We will make sure there is an Enterprise Vault source set up already. If not, you need to create it. And then we'll go to destinations, and we will make sure at least one destination is set up. Once the prerequisites are set up, go to collections. Select the particular collection, in this case FSA case collection, and then select EV search task. To create a new task, click on add. Select the source, in this case it will be Enterprise Vault source. Click select. Specify a description for the task. And then apply all the properties and filters. In this case, we will actually run searches on specific mailbox archives. So we will add archive, and we will select Graham Smith. Select Nicole King. And we'll keep adding more. Once all the archives are added, you can also apply other filtering options. So we can go to filtering. You can filter by sender or recipient. You can filter by date ranges. You can filter by traits like Exchange email or instant messaging or Bloomberg. You can also filter by retention policies, and you can also apply keyword filters if you want to run searches on particular keyword. Once you are done with all these settings, click on Save. And this saves your search task. We can use this blue icon to start the task to actually run the search. And we can open a jobs window. And our EV search task is now running and submitted. Now the task is running. The task is now successful. So we will open this search task, and then we will analyze the results. Now you can analyze results by custodian, so you can see each custodian. If you move your mouse over the bar, you will see the actual numbers, so how much data you have from each custodian. You can also analyze it by timelines, and you can change your settings to days or quarters or year or month. You can look at a chart or a table. And if you need to export this data, you can also export it as CSV or XLS. Once you are done reviewing this, you can also actually preview the actual data. So you go to sample preview, and these are the actual mail messages. The first 20 items are cached automatically, so they are visible quickly. When you move to next page, those will be cached, so they will be available quickly next time. If any of those items have attachments, you can open those attachments, or you can save those attachments as original item. So you can view those items. This item has attachment. If I want to download this, you can click on download, and then at the bottom you have option save as. If you want to open it directly, you can click on the attachment, and you can open the attachment directly as HTML. Once you are finished analyzing your data and you need to collect this data, you can actually set up a collection task based on this search task. So go back to EV search task. This is where your search task is. If you click on action menu on the right hand side, and then you have copy and copy as collection task. So click on that. Once you copy as collection task, you will have most of the settings from your search task imported into this collection task. Now it will have the same filtering. If any filterings were applied earlier, you will have the same list of archives that were in the search task, and you can manage and change your custodian assignment at this level. Once you're done with it, you can click on save, and that will actually create a collection task based on the search task. And you can run this collection task any time you want it, or you can also schedule it. So this concludes our demonstration about EV search task in Symantec eDiscovery platform.